Alright, so I added some more stuff here. I added these bracings. Of course I ran out of screws, so I had to nail them with nails, but this thing's solid. Yep, and I still haven't put the scab on that yet because I had to take the top off and redo it. Yeah, I got this all nice and even now, but probably put a little small window here. Of course I got to put the door. I'm going to do 2 doors, that way they're smaller and it won't take up so much room out here in the cockpit. Anyway, I got a lot of caulking to do, that's for sure. Like right around here I got to do some caulking. There's going to be a box here. That's the reason those things are sticking out. Probably might even be about this height. It comes all the way out, over and down, so I can just shove lines and stuff in so I don't trip over them, because I do trip over things. Even though I've had several sailboats, I still trip over ropes and lines. I got more done. Cut the brows off, the corners. I cut the corners off of the top. Looked a lot better now. Got the trim on the top done. Started putting the windows in and sealed the top. Look at that. That looks pretty nice. So it's kind of moist out here this morning, but still need to finish painting this window here. It's going to be an opening window, so I don't have the glass for that. Well, I do have the glass, but I haven't put it in yet because I got to make a opening frame, and that one as well. That's going to open so I can get some ventilation. But yeah, look at this. Yeah, and got the trim on the top done. Did some more painting. Got these, of course, flies around here. I gotta seal that, paint it really good. Today I guess I want to do the corners here. All right, the inside I have just temporarily caulked these windows in. They're temporary, but boy, they're stuck too. Got to finish sealing them up from the outside. But these are all not plexiglass, but these are all it says it right there, acrylic sheets. So I had to be super careful with them. Anyway, so I got this scabbed in. Of course, the only nails I had was too long because it's quarter makes half, and I had 5/8. So anyway, that's fine. I could always take a grinder to it and grind it down, but most likely there's going to be some styrofoam in here anyway. And look at this. Oh well, I wound up using just pieces, but boy, that thing's sturdy though. Just whatever pieces I could find. But this is all in really good, and I sealed this up. It's nice and strong. Got to cut out a window eventually, but I don't know if I'm going to have enough glass to do all that. Got this side done. Oh, and also whenever I cut the corners off the top, I had these left over, and I'm using every little piece I have, as you can see. This I could use to put a brow on the front later. I'm not doing it now. My main thing right now is just getting this thing where I can throw it in the water. I gotta see how she floats. Yeah, I scored this from Home Depot. Double pane. It's looked like it used to be a drive-through. It's got rollers on the bottom. Of course, I got to take those out. and it fits in here like so. Just have to add a little trim on top or the bottom, and I could use this to flip in and out, so I have some ventilation in here. We'll see how it goes, but man, I got that for free. It's actually pretty heavy. See, it's PVC, and I kind of trimmed it out with my knife. It had hinges, I mean not hinges, but it had a lock on one side of it. But anyway, so I might use this for the, or I probably will use this for the front to hinge out. I just need to build a bigger frame because it's a little bit smaller than the opening. We'll see. Maybe on the next video I have it, or maybe by the end of this one, I don't know. But can't beat free. Got to build a keel, or skeg and a keel, or just a skeg, I don't know. Put a little bit of weight in the bottom. Matter of fact, I'm going to do a video on what people keep asking me or keep commenting about, and that is the weight. Also, I'll do a video on how much it's costing me so far, but that's where we're at. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and who knows where this thing's going next. All right, thanks a lot. Have a wonderful day. Gotta change this view.